Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're going to be discussing what to do if this happens to you. Alright everyone, so as you just saw inside my car, it's time for me to change the battery in my key fob. So I'm going to go through that process with you all today. This is going to be a short, quick video in case you're running into the same issues where it's time for you to change your battery inside your key fob. So this is the key fob, of course, and right now we're going to be, so what you want to do first is get the regular key out of the fob. So what you want to do is, matter of fact, shout out the Keys Motorsports here. They just hit 100K subscribers. Congrats to those guys there. So right now, like you see on the back of the fob here, there's this button that is right here. And this button right here is what we're going to hit. So if you push in on this button, you pull the key out. So this is like your key right here for your glove box, so you can lock that, stuff like that. So we'll lay that to the side. So what we're going to do now, in order to get the battery out, we're going to have to put a little, if you have a flathead thin enough, you can put it right in here. If not, I'm going to use one of the tools that came in my trim tool kit. And the trim tool kit is just, man, it's a must have for any BMW owner and pretty much any car owner, really. So I'm going to link the one I have down below, the one I bought. It has everything in it that you need. It's pretty cheap. But I'm going to link that down below. But we're going to put my trim tool piece right into this hole right here. So as you push it in the hole, you'll kind of turn it, and then you'll see this back panel pop off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So now I got it in there. So now I'm going to kind of make sure I push it all the way in, and then kind of twist. Boom. And pop right open. Back pops open. And there's our battery that we need to replace. So I'll go ahead and pop this battery out so we can see what size we need. Battery is popped out, and as you can see there, let's see if I can get this focus dialed in for you. Boom, it is the Sony CR2450. So that's the battery we need. I'm gonna go ahead and get two to replace both the battery key fobs that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. Go to your local Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. Anybody should have these batteries. So, and I'm also gonna put a link down below that where you can get them from. Also, if you want to buy them online, so that you're going out to a store. All right, so that's gonna be it pretty much for the key fob video, but I just wanted to show you this weather out here. So the other day we had a tornado warning. So we had a couple tornadoes touch down here in Charlotte, and now today it is snowing. I mean, this is snow dropping down. So if anyone of y'all want to complain about the crazy weather you have wherever you are, I don't think any of it is as crazy as Charlotte. We was 70 degrees one day, then the next day it was tornadoes, and now it's snowing. So just typical North Carolina, typical Charlotte weather. You never know what to expect. All right, everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video on how to replace your battery in your BMW key fob. Hope you enjoyed a couple snow clips I got there. So like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you want to see, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.